オープにこの曲をぶち壊してる。ドラマーはダブルベースがやばいと言いながら大騒ぎしこの曲をぶち壊してる。ドラマーはダブルベースがやばいと言いながら大騒ぎしてる。わあ、もうあのステージの存在感はすごいですね。エネルギーがすごいし、観客も完全に盛り上がっています。ギターは最初からシュレッドしてるアイアンメイデンのバイブスと現代のパワーメタルをミックスしたような感じ。しかも、ライブでもすごくクリーン。
When I first pressed play on the song by Lovite, I honestly didn't know what to expect. I had heard bits and pieces about this all-female Japanese metal band that they were incredibly skilled, energetic, and full of passions, but nothing could have prepared me for what I was about to experience. From the very first note, I was completely blown away. It felt like a powerful storm of energy, precision, and emotion hitting all at once. Lovites didn't just perform a song, they delivered an experience that felt both fierce and inspiring. The song began with a fast-paced, electrifying guitar riffs that instantly grabbed my attentions. The guitarists Midori and Miyako are absolute powerhouse. Their synchronizations, technical skills, and stage presence are beyond impressive. The speed and accuracy of their solos reminded me of classic heavy metal legends like Iron Maiden and Judas Priest, yet there's something uniquely modern and Japanese about their sound. It's not just loud, it's clean, controlled, and beautifully composed. Every riff and solo feels like it's telling a story full of passion, struggles, and triumphs. Then, there's a drummer, Haruna, who is simply phenomenal. Her double bass drumming is like thunderstorm. Relentless, precise, and powerful. You can feel every beat dips in your chest. What amazed me most is how steady and disciplined she is, even while maintaining such an intense pace in metal music. The drummer is the heartbeats of the band, and Haruna keeps that heart beating strong and steady from start to finish. The bassist Pami, or sometimes Miho in earlier performance, brings incredible depth to their sounds. Her playing is technical and melodic, yet she never overpower the mix. You can tell she completely in sync with the drummer, creating a solid foundations for the guitars and vocals to shine together. The rhyme sections makes Lovites sound tight, professional, and full-bodied, like a perfectly tuned machine. And then we have Asami, the lead vocalist, whose voice is nothing short of stunning. She has a commanding presence and a voice that soars about the heavy instrumentals with elegance and power. Her vocal range is impressive. She can hit high notes that gives chill, yet she maintains perfect control and clarity. Her performance doesn't just add melody, it brings emotions and storytelling to the songs. There's strength in her tone, but also vulnerability, are rare combinations that makes her voice unforgettable. What I love most about Lovites is their musicianships and disciplines. Even member clearly takes their craft seriously. Their performances are precise yet full of soul. They blend traditional heavy metal with modern speed and technicality, all while keeping a distinct identity that reflects Japanese artistry and culture. Watching them perform feels like witnessing a masterclass in both skills and passions.